Hello everyone, welcome to my online classroom, and today in this video we are going to discuss about the important questions of class 9 geography chapter 2 physical features of India. So as you can see, I have made one worksheet, and in that worksheet you will get all the important questions with the map work because it is a geography chapter. So of course map work is very important, your map skill is very important. So related to this I have mentioned all these important questions. Let's see chart. First of all, we have why are the Shivaliks prone to landslides? Okay. Second question it is what are the dunes and where are they found? Like Dehradun. So that related to that you have to give answer. Next, what are the tectonic plates? Next, fourth question number 4, eastern plains are more fertile. So give two reason. What is the reason behind of that eastern plains are more fertile in comparison of the other land? Question number 5, which continents of today was a part of Gondwana land? That is also mentioned in the book. Question number 6, it is why the Himalayas are called the young coal mountains. Question number 7, write any 4 characteristics of the Gangas, Brahmaputra, Delta. Question number 8, what do you mean by a pass? Name any 6 passes of the Indian subcontinent. How have they affected India? So that the important thing you have to mention here. So actually the question is asking 3 type of questions here. What is the difference between a plateau and a plain? That you have to mention. Next, we have compare and contrast the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. So if, in a simple words, I will say so, it is they are asking the difference between Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. Next, question number 11, a landmass bounded by sea on 3 sides is referred to as. So they are the options. So it is known as coast, it is known as peninsula, or it is known as an island, or it is maybe it is known none of the above. So that you have to choose the correct answer. That a landmass bounded by sea on 3 sides, what it's called. Next, mountain ranges in the last part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar are collectively called. So it is called Himachal, it is called Purvanchal, it is called Uttarakhand, or it is none of the above. So whatever you think that it is the correct answer or option, just choose that one. So 13th question, we have the western coastal stream south of Goa is referred to as Coromandel, Kannad, Konkan, or Northern Sarkar. So whatever you think that which one is correct, that is your correct answer. Question number 14 is saying the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats. Okay, the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats. So it is Anaimudi, it is Mahendragiri, or it is Kanchenjunga, or it is Khasi. Okay, so it is an option question for 1 mark. Of course, question 15, what is Gondwana land? What do you mean by Gondwana land? Supercontinent. Question number 16, what do you mean by Doab? It is also very important question. Question number 17, write a short note on the following. So short note you have to write on the Indian desert, the Central Highlands, and last the island group of India. It means Lakshadweep and the Andaman and Nicobar. So related to that, whatever information you have to be mentioned in this. Next, because it is a geography chapter, so of course map skill is very important. So you will get political map of India, and that you have to locate the mountain and the hill ranges. Next, peaks is be given. Next, plateaus, Indian desert, Western Ghats, and the Lakshadweep Islands. So first of all, under this mountain hill ranges, the question related to this, they can ask the quorum. They will ask VHS line. You have to locate that one, the Jaska, the Patkaibam, the Jantia, the Vindhya range, the Aravali and Cardamom hills. Next, under the peaks, they can ask K2, Kanchenjunga, Naga Parbat, and the Anaimuri. Under the plateaus, Chota Nagpur and the Malwan. Next, we have the Indian desert and the Western Ghats and the Lakshadweep Islands. So in this way, we have completed the main important questions related to this chapter under the worksheet. So thank you everyone, and please like, share and subscribe this channel for more updates.